Earnings season is winding down, but it's not quite over yet. We're still getting a lot of the big retailers this week. And I was looking around to see who is the best among the retail class this week. And surprisingly, I found 5 companies who basically aren't being Amazoned. So if you want to know who's able to compete at the level with Amazon, these are the guys. So let's check out what their charts look like. We're going to jump right in with one of the big names this week, Lowe's. Of course, shares are near the 5-year high. Their competitor Home Depot already reported last week, and they had a real solid quarter. Their earnings beat and miss record isn't quite as good as Home Depot, which has a real stellar one, but gotta like where the shares are. So if I was watching retail this week, this is definitely one I'm gonna be keeping my eye on. Our second one is a company that everybody said would be Amazon. Remember, they were the Amazon showcase, but they've proven their critics wrong, and shares are up there at the 5-year highs now. Who would have thunk this back in 2012? See where that one big miss was? Shares were going down almost, under $10 there. So Best Buy is one that has really turned it around with Amazon as their competitor. So if you're interested in this electronic side, this is one you should be watching. Our third one is Burlington stores. This is kind of a quiet one. Obviously, it hasn't missed at all since it went public in 2013. Everybody knows it as the Burlington Coat Factory. They do sell more than just coats now. They're kind of the off-price guys, and those ones haven't been quite as strong this quarter as we've seen a few other quarters. So this is one where, everybody's expecting the beat, but will they be able to do it? I don't know. We're going to see. And then fourth is the big Costco. They miss a lot. As you can see, look at all those little red flags, and they've missed 2 times in a row here, but shares keep going higher because everybody still likes the story and they're so well managed. I'd be watching labor costs here as well, with a lot of competition with unemployment down near those lows. So they're going to be challenged to find workers at their stores, and that's something I'm going to be keeping my eye on here. But you got to like the Costco story still. And then the juggernaut of the week is Ulta Beauty. You can see just that one miss in 2013. Turns out that was basically a buying opportunity. Shares are near the all-time highs here. It is priced for perfection, but I know I said this last quarter too, and they managed to beat and still gave solid guidance here. So we'll see what they say on the same-store sales. That's going to be what it's all about. The comps have been so hot, though. We're talking 13, 14, 15%, that they can't keep doing it for forever. At some point, it's going to be back under 10. Probably not this quarter, but it will be at some point. So that's something to watch here. I actually own Ulta in my own personal portfolio. But this is definitely the juggernaut this week, and it has that great rewards program that makes it hard for Amazon to compete. This is the list of the best this week. A lot of the things they have in common are good management and also some kind of specialty that sets them apart from Amazon, whether or not it's the pizza that everybody likes eating when they go into the Costco. I don't know, it's like $2 a slice or something. Whether or not it's that, or whether or not it's the brow bar or the salons at Ulta. They're making shopping an experience. So these are the ones you're going to want to watch this week to really figure out where retail is going. I'll be back all this week with all the rest of the earnings news. And of course, you can check in with my colleague, Dave Bartosiak. He's going to be covering the options trades on a lot of these, and I know he's going to be covering some of the retailers because this is the hot area. So be sure to check in with him. He's over on Zach's Live Trader on YouTube. Got to go to YouTube to get him. But check in over there because the options trades are going to be kind of wild on some of these. And I'll be back all this week.